Hi and welcome to CTech. I'm Tony Zeal and we've put together this short series of films to show you all you need to know about our D250SE and SmartPass 120S DC-DC onboard charging system. In this film I'll be showing you what's in the box when you buy the units. Okay, let's take a look. Here's the D250SE onboard charger, and you'll see it's got 3 fitted leads. The temperature sensor, a red lead, which is for vehicles with smart alternators and needs to be connected to an ignition signal, which will be +15 or DIN 72552. There's also a black cable here, and that's used to program the unit for normal, AGM or lithium batteries. If you're using a flooded battery, leave the black lead disconnected. If you're using an AGM battery, you'll need to connect the black wire to earth or ground. And if you're using a lithium battery, you'll need to connect the black wire to a constant live feed. On the top, you've got the solar input up to a maximum of 23 volts, the alternator input, the earth connection, and the service battery output. Now, moving on to the SmartPass 120S. A temperature sensor. This black wire is the earth or ground lead. And this red wire needs to be connected to an ignition signal. That's +15 or DIN 72552 if the vehicle is fitted with a smart alternator. On the top, there's the alternator input, the service battery output, and the consumer's output. You also get a couple of connector plates and 4 terminal screws, so you can mount both units neatly side by side. Each one comes with a copy of the instruction manual, which will tell you everything you need to know. The manual also has a handy guide to the length and thickness of cable you should use, depending on how far away your starter and service batteries are when you're planning your install. And it'll also show you what fuses you'll need to fit. You can download the manuals at www.ctech.com. And if you need any more information, simply email us at info@ctech.se. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.